sitting on them. All of my diamonds are dripping on them. Just like the girl, I'm everywhere. Police think I got a 50 on them. I see diamonds in your eye every time that you fight.
Happy Monday! Good morning! Alright guys, I'm almost at work and I was sitting here thinking about I need to post some more items on Amazon. I feel like my residual income is depleting and I always want to keep, so much money and saving. So my focus this week is to focus on that. I did the presentation about my road trip. I want to go visit dealers and tell them about their website and how we can work together, create a relationship. But anywho, my mind is spinning with things, but I'm gonna go in here right now and take down Christmas decorations. I am moving my cube. I'm getting a bigger cube, so I want to get prepared for that. Yeah. Let me wrap my mind around the goals. Write them down. Execute. I hope you have. Good morning. Good morning. What out the crates? All right, let's go get. Whoa. The warehouse before cleaning. Okay. Wow. Okay, so you guys know I wore my jeans today, so I can do a lot of packing and moving. I'm moving to my new cube. I'm packing up my sweepstake boxes and organizing them for their new home. They can no longer, They can no longer stay in that office because the new guy is starting. And I'm trying to get everything organized today, so I feel like I've been moving. This is definitely cardio. All right, guys, I am at, hello everyone. I've made it home. I immediately started cooking because I saw Trevor been eating junk food. So the stir fry, everything is from Trader Joe's, and the beef and stuff because I want vegetables, he wants meat. And then guys, we gotta fill some Amazon orders, pull out Valentine's Day decorations. All right, let me eat first. Happy Tuesday, guys. I am working from home today. And I made this decision last minute, and now I'm realizing that I have 2 meetings that I have to be on camera for. So I'm gonna finish curling or flat ironing my hair, get ready for the meeting. Yeah, I got to turn the camera on. If it's just my boss or local, then I don't have to. But yeah, I guess you guys know how that works. Yeah. Okay, I'll pick you back up. I'm going to be at home. And I feel like I get more done when I work from home than I do in the office. So I'm excited. I did pull out the Valentine's Day crate last night. I put some stuff online to sell because I need to generate that passive income. Some things I gotta take pictures and I don't have time to do that. But anywho, my goal today is to get a lot of things done. That's why I'm working from home and get Trevor up and moving. How are you? Are you guys having a good? I fell asleep early last night, but I woke up to a text message from Victor saying, "How are you doing?" It was nice. Maybe we'll have a third date, guys. Fingers crossed. I have been meeting other people and making new dates, so I'm definitely putting myself out there, staying consistent, seeking the love that I want, and letting it, and being open. I'm not chasing, I'm not doing any of that. I'm just being open and staying in flow. So, yeah, love, money, career, all those things on that vision board. I'm in the game to win it. Let me go do my hair first so I can show up nice. We are in the car headed to mail an Amazon package. I saw Victor just email me and said salsa. Okay. Anywho, I'm going to grab. I'm just going to drop this off and come right back, guys. I want to relax. One of my New Year's resolutions was to take care of me more. Like, I want to do my nails, my feet, keep my hair done. So I'm going to try to focus on me a little bit more instead of just running. Yeah, but come go with me to the mail. I ended up at Dollar Tree. Now I'm just trying to look and see what they have. I really like these. I don't want to keep buying the same thing over and over again. So I'm gonna look around, see what they have. Good morning. We made it in the car. We're rocking the plaid. I even got on the striped tight. I love tight. So I need more lip gloss. I'm not running back in the house. Let's go, because it's 7:15. All right, pick it back up. Okay. We have our meeting this morning with my boss. Fingers crossed she's in a good headspace to be open to listen. I put together a presentation. I didn't finish it, so I'm just going to cut off the end and present what I have. I talked to my sister, Nahana. She wants to do several cruises. She's more or less like my traveling buddy, her and her daughter, and then my mom. And she's on a Steppers cruise. So I may jump on that one with her. And then I'm responsible for planning a December cruise. She's also going to do my hair Friday at 7. I'm going to get some extensions, add some color. I am really going to work on myself and try to continue this throughout the whole year. So I'm excited about looking more beautiful, right? I bought some more Valentine's Day decorations in. I got my computer. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So it's going to be a good day. My goal today, because I have a lot of meetings on the calendar for today, but my goal today is to stay focused and get things off my list done, not what's on other people's lists. So I hired my sister too, guys, to do a balloon stand for the ambassadors are coming in, and I'm going to order an ambassador sign today to walk, like a big welcome banner. So I'm juggling a lot, but I'm making my list, checking them off, staying organized. And I moved desks today. Oh my gosh, I got to show you guys my new desk. I keep saying 333. Universe, I'm in alignment. Guide me. Please, thank you, God. I'll pick you guys back up at the office. I'm going to jam out to some music, get my head in the right space. I saw Victor email me, text me. So I'm going to see what he's talking about. Ain't my fault. Okay. Also, we're getting ready for our Oklahoma trip. I'm gonna set up my transportation and get Trevor situated. So my mom's gonna come to my house and sit with Trevor and run the Amazon store and run the Turo business, etc., etc. So I got to get everybody trained. I'm actually excited about it. It'll be my first vacation this year, and I'll be by myself, so I want to meditate, work out, manifest, right? So guys, I just got an email that came through and I read it while I was driving, and it says, hey, so the PR request form that went through late. Our agency dropped the ball, but I'm responsible for it now, so I own up to it. So of course I coordinated. So the sales manager said, hey, can you call the dealer? Can you please call the store and let them know the update? And I felt like, are you pushing it off on me? You're a district manager, you're in the field, right? Is this a test? God, is this a test? Universe? I know my role. I play my role. Do I play nice this time? Make friends? Bum?
Yeah, either. So we're kind of in a transition period. So
Like, again,
So I want to
if you
call.
could send us that, the things that are, I know the printers going away.
My computer is not working at my desk, so I ran into our spare office to take the call. But the volume is really loud. But the meeting with my boss went exceptionally well. I have so much to share with you guys. I'm so excited to tell you what happened. So let me get back in the call and I'll come back. In my boss's office waiting on our meeting. She's running late. I am not nervous though. I'm feeling good. All right, guys, they say it's 50 degrees today. So I am going to go to my car and eat my lunch. And also I forgot and left it in my car. So I just want to get out and separate. I need to call Trevor and make sure he gets out and separate. You know what? Let me hang up from you guys. Okay, guys, we are in the car. I took a break from work because I want to stay focused and stay on my plan. I have 3 more meetings. But I'm feeling strong and good. Anywho, I gotta tell you guys about my meeting with my boss, and it went amazing. Okay, so good. So good. Okay, Victor. All right, I think I'm supposed to meet Victor today. He wants to get together and do something. I don't know. Wait, he said something about sober. Is he an alcoholic? Am I being punked? What? Okay. My boss and I agreed for my road trip. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. We are going to hit Florida, Atlanta, New Orleans, Wisconsin, Kentucky. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is my time to shine. I am going to do my best. I'm going to get organized, get everything structured. And my boss is like, well, I want you to go to New Orleans so I can go with you and we can eat some good food. She better be careful because I can party in New Orleans. I don't know what she up for, but I'm down. So, but it was all good. We had a great conversation. She was late. I didn't care. We got a chance to chat. All the things I want to do and all the things I want to accomplish are coming true. I'm accepting the blessings in my life. I am no longer afraid. I am happy. I want to make sure I'm organized, make sure my other job tasks and responsibilities are covered. And I'm going to hit the road. I'm going to hit the road. And I'm going to hit the road like a boss bae. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to have the outfits, the knowledge, any presentations. When I meet with people, I want to have my it together. This will be my year. I know 2022 was great to me. Thank you. Thank you. But now I'm in the knowledge. I've been gaining so much knowledge in the last 6 months. I know what I'm talking about. So, yeah. It was a great meeting with my boss. That lady surprises me. I just want to squeeze her and hug her to death. But it's all good. And also, she told me we signed up for some other stuff. Have you heard of Dragon Con? C2. And finally, before I go back into work, I'm trying to make sure I stay sitting straight up. My outfit looks really nice, you guys. I feel like whatever makeup I did today, I'm doing light makeup. I am not doing heavy makeup. It's looking okay. I don't like all that stuff. Oh, I have an appointment to get my hair done. I think I already told you that. Anyway, focus. My ADD is kicking in. I've been talking to other people on Bumble, and things are going really well. I'm cutting out people that start out on BS. You know what I'm saying? Like I have a low tolerance for stuff like that. I just called Trevor. He is up and moving about. And I even talked to my mother. So she wants me to take her Friday to go buy some candles. I found the balance in my life. I know I was searching for it last year, but I found it now. And I'm there. Also, remember these shifter accessories I ordered? I finally put the tape on and added them on. So hopefully they stay stuck. It was just one strip of tape. But if they come off, guys, I can just add more tape. Yeah. Cool. And I got a bunch more freebies from the warehouse, like some damaged goods that came back. And my boss was like, hey, you want this? I'm like, how did you get it first? I get first dibs. Whatever. Anywho, guys, let me go back in here and I'm going to decorate. I bought some more Valentine's Day stuff. And I got this bag of stuff. So I'm going to put some decorations up. And yeah, keep it moving. We are home. My boss is emailing. I'm posting some free stuff I got on Amazon.com for $4 or $5. But I'm trying to get the store caught up. I ate leftovers, but I'm still working, so got to make that residual income. And a Turo person is coming tomorrow.
Just like the